Hi, this is Home's Guide. Are you tired of dealing with kitchen waste and looking for the perfect garbage disposal? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best garbage disposals for home use. We'll explore the features, benefits, and why these models stand out. Say goodbye to kitchen mess and hello to convenience. So, check the link in the description below and let's dive in. Number 1. Incerator Badger 5 Garbage Disposal. Standard Series 1/2 HP Continuous Feed Food Waste Disposer is an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best garbage disposal for home use. This reliable and functional unit combines affordability with efficiency, featuring a compact, space-saving design that seamlessly fits existing Incerator hardware for quick and easy installation. The Badger 5 is built with durable components, including a powerful 1/2 HP DuraDrive induction motor and long-lasting galvanized steel parts, ensuring a dependable grind for everyday food scraps. As America's #1 disposer brand, Incerator's Badger series is trusted by more U.S. homes than any other brand. From meal prep to cleanup, this disposal makes it faster, cleaner, and smarter to keep your kitchen spotless. With a legacy of innovation since 1927, Incerator continues to lead in manufacturing high-quality garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers for both home and commercial use. Powered by 120V, this unit offers exceptional performance and reliability. Number 2. The Waste-Made 10 USWM 058-3B Garbage Disposal is the perfect solution for home kitchens seeking efficiency and reliability. Equipped with a robust 1/2 horsepower motor running at 2,600 RPM, this garbage disposal reaches full power instantly, making quick work of food waste. Its Torque Master grinding system features anti-jam stainless steel components, ensuring maximum torque and durability, while the balanced impellers reduce vibration for quieter, smoother operation. The continuous feed design allows for easy disposal of food waste even while the unit is running, with the recommendation to run water during use. Installation is a breeze with the easy 3-bolt mounting system, compatible with most other brands. The package includes an attached power cord, removable splash guard, stopper, and dishwasher connection, making it a comprehensive and user-friendly choice. For homeowners looking for the best garbage disposal for their kitchen, the Waste-Made 10 USWM 058-3B offers superior performance and convenience. Number 3. The Moen GXP33C Lite Series Pro 1/3 HP Compact Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal is a reliable and efficient choice for any kitchen. Equipped with a 1,900 RPM, 1/3 horsepower Vortex motor, this disposal delivers powerful grinding, handling everyday food scraps with ease and reducing the risk of jams. Its compact design not only makes installation simple but also saves valuable space under your sink. The Moen GXP33C comes with a pre-installed power cord, fitting most existing assemblies, including those from other brands, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Additionally, this garbage disposal is septic safe when used with properly sized septic tanks, making it a versatile and eco-friendly option that helps reduce waste sent to landfills. Designed specifically for those who do not cook from scratch often, the Lite series makes cleanup quick and straightforward. Ideal for any home, the Moen GXP33C Lite Series Pro stands out as one of the best garbage disposals for its balance of performance, convenience, and environmental consideration. Number 4. Waste King 1/2 HP Garbage Disposal with Power Cord, the ultimate solution for efficient kitchen waste management. Engineered with a high-speed 1/2 HP, 2,600 RPM permanent magnet motor, this disposal effortlessly tackles food waste while minimizing jams. Its easy mount design ensures a hassle-free installation process, complemented by a removable splash guard for easy cleaning. What sets it apart is its user-friendly approach, boasting a pre-installed power cord, it eliminates the need for any electrical expertise. Crafted for durability, it features a compact, lightweight build with a stainless steel grind chamber, ensuring longevity. Enjoy continuous feed disposal activated by a simple wall switch, making quick work of food waste. Plus, with a 5-year limited in-home warranty, rest assured of long-term protection. For the best garbage disposal for home use, Waste King L1001 is the top choice, blending performance, convenience, and reliability seamlessly. Number 5. GE Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal, the ultimate solution for managing kitchen waste effortlessly. With its powerful 1/3 HP motor, this disposal grinds food faster than ever, preventing clogging and ensuring a smooth operation every time. Boasting over 2,300 RPM, it effortlessly handles tough foods like fruit peels, cooked pasta, rice, and cereal, reducing them to fine particles in seconds. Its easy installation process makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts, with all necessary components included in the box. Say goodbye to waste and hello to a cleaner kitchen with this anti-jam disposal, which efficiently reduces food scraps and minimizes landfill contributions. With a generous 25-ounce grind chamber capacity, it accommodates various food types, making it the ideal choice for 1 to 2 person homes seeking the best garbage disposal solution. Upgrade your kitchen today with the GE Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal and experience unparalleled convenience and cleanliness. In conclusion, selecting the right garbage disposal for your home is crucial for smooth kitchen operations and environmental responsibility. From our review, mention the specific model or brand emerges as the top choice, offering efficiency, durability, and quiet operation. We hope this guide has been informative and assists you in making an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updates and helpful videos.